Hey, this is Brad Saunders with Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram in Bradenton. I just took in this beautiful 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This is a Touring L model. It's a black exterior color. Got your very nice wheels, alloy wheels there. It's got the remote proximity keyless entry. It's got power seat, automatic headlights, power windows, power locks. Got a nice 8.4-inch screen, heated seats, Bluetooth, backup camera. It's got your power sliding doors. This is an 8-seater. Very, very clean. Very well taken care of by its previous owner. It's got a power lift gate as well. Backup sensors. The nice stow and go, which is class exclusive to the Pacifica. This vehicle is very clean. Has 54,000 miles on it. This will be a certified vehicle, so it will have a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Please call me for more information on this vehicle, 941-748-6510.